Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to find an archived channel on the Telegram app on your PC with the latest update. This is a quick and easy process that helps you keep your chat list organized while still allowing you access to important channels you've archived. First, start by launching the Telegram app on your PC. Open the application either from your desktop or Start menu, or access it through your web browser if you prefer using Telegram Web. Once Telegram is open and you are logged in, look at the main chat list interface. Next, locate the Archive Chats section. Thanks to the new update, this section now appears right under the search bar at the top of the chat list on the left side of the screen. Click on Archive Chats, and this will open a folder containing all your archived conversations and channels. Now, scroll through the list of archived chats to find the channel you want to open. If you have many archived items, you can use the search bar inside the Archived Chats section to type the channel's name and quickly locate it. Once you find the desired channel, simply click on it to open and view its contents. You can read messages, watch shared media, and interact with the channel normally. That's it. By following these simple steps, launching Telegram, clicking on Archive Chats, finding the channel, and opening it, you can easily access any archived channel you've hidden away on Telegram for PC. This feature helps keep your main chat list clean while preserving access to all important information. If you want to bring an archived channel back to your main chat list, you can usually right-click on the channel and select Unarchive, or use the menu options available in the chat window. Enjoy organizing your Telegram chats with this handy method.